Given two triangles with congruent corresponding angles, what can you prove? Okay, so we know the corresponding angles are going to be the same. Is that enough information to prove that the two triangles are congruent? Or is that enough information to prove the two triangles are similar? Well, remember, congruent means same shape, same size. Similar means same shape, different size. So if we have two triangles, let me just put a picture up here. There we go. If we have two triangles that have the same angle measures, that didn't work. Why is this not copying? There we go. Just because their corresponding angles are congruent does not mean the side lengths are going to be the same. So we do not have enough to prove they're congruent unless we know the sides are the same. So are they congruent? No, not necessarily. Are they similar? Yes. If you have all the corresponding angles are congruent, then you can definitely prove they're similar. But you don't have enough information to prove that they're congruent because we don't know about the side lengths.